welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing Gerard Cosmetics. I have two boxes. Both of these boxes are their Christmas mystery boxes. So this is actually the medium sized one. Unfortunately, when I went to order, the small one was already taken. So the small one is called Let It Snow. And since my husband does all my editing, he's gonna freak when he sees the prices. But this one is $77 US. And this is the big one. It is called, Santa's Full Sleigh. That's right. And this one is 165 US. So these ones, by far, my most expensive boxes that I've ordered to date. They are a really good brand, so we're going to dive into them and see what they're like. So we're going to start off with the small one. So once we open it, it's going to look like this. So once we get all the tissue paper out of the way, because, I mean, that's not what we're here for. It's going to look like this. So first we get a card, and it explains the different boxes. So for the Let It Snow, it's $77, and it has a minimum value of $165, and it's 7 to 8 items. The bigger one we got is $159, not $165. I don't know why I was thinking that. And it's got a $335 minimum value, and it's 12 items total. So for the small one, we're just going to dive right in. So first we have Dial a Smile Zero Teeth Whitening Pen. Now, if anyone is like me and is a dirty smoker or drinks a lot of dark pop or anything like this, this will be very helpful where you don't have to go to the dentist all the time to get your whitening done. So this is what the packaging looks like. So that's our first item out of 7 or 8. So we're going to count them up and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I do have 8. So next we have a star powder. So we're going to open this up. It's Audrey Star Powder. So let's see what this packaging looks like. That's the packaging. And if I could open it, that'd be good. There we go. It's got a little cute little window. So cute. And it looks to be a highlighter. So this is the second item we got. So next we have some lashes, and I love long lashes. Currently I have in extensions, but after those all fall out eventually, I might start giving these a try. I tend to get lash extensions because I don't know how many other people have this problem, but I suck at putting on lashes with the glue. I can never make them straight, and they look like a toddler did them. But I will continue to try and put them on, and I will upload a video later and show you guys me wearing falsies instead of extensions. Okay, next we have a lipstick, Long Wear Hydra Matte. And it's in the shade West Coast. It's very pink. So this is the packaging. It's pretty. And it is like a bubblegum coral color. So I'll show you a little bit later on in the video of when it dries down to matte, because right now it's still wet, so it's looking like glossy, but I will let you see that in a little bit. Next we have eye base. Now this one I'm really excited for, because the last eye base I got was from P. Louise, and it was a bright pink, and I have no idea how I'm going to cover that up, because I don't tend to do very dark solid colors. I tend to do more shimmers and light shades, neutrals, but you never know, I might switch it up sometime. And this is the little packaging. Oh, okay. So, and this is what it will look like. My thing kind of exploded a little bit. It, you know, it came from the States and I'm here in Canada, so I mean, it went through a little bit of shipping. So, hopefully it doesn't explode on anyone else. Next, we have another lipstick. This one is a bullet. And it looks to be a nude shade. So this shade is Buttercup. So, and that is the shade there. So that should work really nice with my complexion. So we're gonna have to try that one out too. I love days like this when I get all the presents and then I get to try them all. Okay, next we have lash liner glue. Obviously that makes sense to get this because they gave us lashes. And hopefully I can work this because I have trouble with lashes and lash glue. So we're gonna try it with it and I will let you know. Next we have a lip pencil. So this one is like a dusty rose shade. So we're gonna put it on. Very creamy, glides on. It's not like the ones you used to have in like 2000s where you're like pulling all your face trying to get it outlined. So that one's very nice. So that is the Let It Snow box. That was $77. I can hear my kids upstairs playing when they're supposed to be sleeping. So if you hear a bang, it's my son rearranging his room like he does. So he's 3, so he likes to move everything and be a terror. So our next box we're gonna get into is the largest box they have, the Santa's Full Sleigh. So once again, when we open it, you're gonna have your pink tissue paper. And the inside of the box is pretty nicely decorated. And it's gonna give you Hair AF. I'm assuming it's gonna be in there because they're giving you some facts about it. So once I rip into this and get rid of the packing stuff, it's going to give you another card like the last one that tells you exactly how many products are in this and how much each one is. So then this is what it looks like. There's lots of goodies in there for us. So let's start out with this. So this is a face cream. So this is what the packaging looks like. So you're going to apply this to clean skin over or under foundation or moisturizer. And it is in Sophia. So we're just going to do a little dab so I can see what it feels like. A tinted one. It's kind of got like a goldy champagne-y color to it, and it is a little bit sparkly, which is different. Next, we're going to go into Restores Teeth Natural Way. I think Gerard Cosmetics is trying to tell me something by these two boxes and whitening teeth products. So, I mean, we're going to try them anyways and see what they're like. So, this is the packaging on it. And it's like a brush. You just brush this on. What's on the other side? It looks like it opens, but I don't think it does. It's got a little thing. But, so that's our next product. Next is a Slay All Day setting spray. So this is the setting spray, obviously. This is a setting spray, so you spray it before or after your makeup application to keep your face fresh and flawless. Keep the skin matte and increases the wear time of your makeup. It smells good too, so that's always a bonus when you're putting stuff on. You don't want anything that smells terrible. Next, we have a lipstick, and it looks to be a little bullet again. And again, it's another little bullet. And this one is in shade 1995. Looks to be like a nude, but it's a little bit darker than the last one. More like a dusty rose color. So we're gonna put it right here. So it is darker than the last one. So we're gonna give that a try. Okay, so our next thing we're gonna open is another lip pencil. So this is the color here. And I actually want to go in because it looks really similar to the last one. Very similar. So this one, I'm going to put it right beside the last one. Okay, so there is a difference. I think there's a difference. My husband wouldn't think there's a difference, but there is. Us girls can see differences. Men can't. Doesn't help that he's colorblind, but we won't hold that against him for too long. Next is a lip cream. So this is what it looks like. And it does have a slight tint to it. And kind of like a corally color. Okay, next we have Metal Matte Liquid Lipstick. I'm running out of room on my hand, so I'm gonna have to work my way up my arm. So this one is in the shade Metal, and it's double shot. So it is like a light brown, like a nudie kind of brown. Now generally I don't wear these kind of colors because I just don't think it looks good on me. So we will see. I'll try it out just so I know, so I can give my honest opinion. Okay. Next we have Makeup Removing Balm, which is perfect. I mean, we got all this makeup, I'm gonna have to take it off somehow, so this is just works out so well. Next we have external eyeliner, so liquid eyeliner, and I'm really hoping that is in a paintbrush style, not the felt tip, because I suck with the felt tip. Not very good at it. I never did makeup in my 20s. even my early 30s, I never did makeup. Just starting to get into it now. So I'm not very confident yet. So, I mean, I'll practice and hopefully that'll get me better. So we're just going to open it and see what kind of thing we're dealing with. I mean, it's got a tiny little tip. And it doesn't look like paintbrush, but it could be. So I think it works really well. It's not dried out. It's really dark. And next we have a liquid lipstick in Ecstasy. So this is what the packaging looks like. And we're just gonna put it right here. And that is like almost like a dusty pink meets purple. So we're gonna test that one out too. Down to our last two items for today. So hydrating facial mist. So spray on directly before or after makeup. So, I mean, I'm not very familiar with this, but I mean, I feel like it's kind of like a setting spray, isn't it? I need to look into it. But it is yellow. I have never seen anything like this. Like I said, I'm new to makeup, so I'm definitely going to have to use my Google. So we'll test that one out. And last item. I'm going to guess this is the Hair AF. Yes, it is. It's homeopathic formula for hair loss. Now, I don't really have a hair loss problem. I know a lot of women do after having kids and whatnot, but they didn't give me hair loss. They gave me rosacea. So thank you. But yeah, those are our two boxes for today. And like and subscribe, comment, ask any questions you'd like, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.